You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more names of cocktails and beverages as well. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So this means free Cuba. In Spanish it's said as Cuba, not Cuba, Libre. So Cuba Libre or Cuba Libre is more correct than Cuba Libre. Cuba Libre, I mean, is the name of the island. Cuba is said Cuba in English, but in Spanish, Cuba. Cuba Libre is how you say it, free Cuba. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.